All right, so we are on the Skype page of logos.sketch file that you downloaded, and we're going to animate a Skype logo. So here's the start artboard, here's the end artboard. Easy. Let's just get started. We're going to go into Flow. We're going to create a new project. We're going to link logos.sketch. We're going to change to the Skype page. We're going to double click the start and end artboards, and we're going to add them. This is how it goes. All right, and there's our lovely little default animation. Now, let's make it just a little bit more buttery. We're going to be working with the bubble first. So let's select it. We can select it here. We can select it by selecting that. We can select it by clicking on it on the stage, whatever. And we're going to change its opacity by first dragging the playhead to T0, changing the opacity to 0. We're going to drag the last key value of the opacity track down to 0.1, and we get this, just a tiny little fade. We're done with that one. Now with the S icon selected, at T0, we're going to change the opacity to 0 as well. Halfway through, we're going to change the rotation to -5. Then we're going to select all of these key values. And pressing Shift and dragging at the same time, we're going to scale them into position. We're going to drag the last key value of the opacity track to 0.6. So we get another nice, just little subtle fade in. And then the rotation, we're going to move this first key value to 0.7, the last key value to 0.9, and the middle key value to 0.8. And it's just a little bit more buttery. And I really like this sort of bounce in, this sort of like mini twist that happens on the S. And we're done. That's it.